Hi, I'm Chris Hill, joined by Eric Bleeker, and the stock of the day is Blackberry for bad reasons. First quarter results really disappointing.
Yeah.
Biggest one-day drop for the stock in over a decade. What did you make of the quarter?
I mean, it's hard to be positive about it. You look at, here's the stats. 2.7 million Blackberry 10 units, disappointing. Subscribers down 4 million, disappointing. The tablet unit of the company, which has been its playbook, sold about 100,000. When your competitors are selling in well
millions.
over 10 million, that's not good. And they're going to be sticking to Blackberry 7 after their Blackberry 10 rollout, which they're probably trying to do better in some emerging markets. But still, that is a sign to many people that their newest operating system's on track, and without the new operating system, it's hard to see a long future for the company.
I was just going to say, is there a Hail Mary pass they can throw here? What is the bet this company needs to make? Is it just push all their chips into the middle of the table and bet on the Z10? Do they even have that move?
Yeah, and I think what BlackBerry's looking at right now is basically BlackBerry messaging. They're moving it. The hidden strength of the company's always been that they make so much, essentially, subscription revenue for their messaging service, and they're trying to branch that out. And they actually, though, kind of a mixed bag there. They announced that they're going to stop reporting subscriber numbers because their revenue model's changing. So they want you to watch revenue now, which makes some sense to it. But it also scares people. And they buried a lot of bad news away from their press release and put it in the earnings call, which is never a positive sign.
Never a good sign. What do you think of the stock? As I mentioned, down big today. Some people probably look at this and say, hey, you know what? There's a value play to be had here. I'm guessing you're not one of them.
Well, I think you just have to look at something like the mobile space in general. Companies that get kicked down have never really come back, and HP's probably not going to go out there and buy them like they saved Palm a while ago.
Right.
So, the acquire situation is always out there in some ways, but at the same time, enough companies have been burned kind of buying these, pulled over on the side of the road mobile assets. So with BlackBerry, you're already seeing talk today about, hey, the most likely scenario is a liquidation or a kind of buyout scenario. It just doesn't overall look very good for them. And again, this is just, it's following the trend that once you're down the mobile space, you're out. And I think every time this happens, people say this time it's different, this time it's different. Well, this time it's not different, so maybe you have to look forward to the next time.
All right, for Eric Bleeker, I'm Chris Hill. That's our stock of the day. We'll see you next week.
As always, people on the show may have interests in the stocks they talk about, and the Motley Fool may have formal recommendations for or against. So don't buy or sell stocks based solely on what you hear.